Alrighty traders, George here. Time for a look at the week ahead. Got a Monday underway right now, and what I want to focus on is the Dow. We're currently at a target 1 location here, 17,968. We're a little bit above that. What I want to watch this week is if we pull back, will we find support at about 17.8? This is a very heavily traded zone, and if we do, watch for a bounce to return to this area. Trading above this area here opens up the door to these next two targets. Look to the left, balance beam is pretty clearly defined there. And if we happen to break below 17.8s, we've got a lot of trading commitment just below where we are. Basically 17.7s and 17.6s to watch for support to come in. We had a couple breaks below here, and you can see how violently they were recovered. That would be something to watch as well. Bigger picture, if we get below 17.6s, it opens up the door to these lower areas, but it would really take something to stay committed below this area here. I also have a few other things going on in this chart. I'll condense it up a bit here so you can see what's happening. And if you look to the bottom here, we've had a low to low cycle of 48 days and 51 days here. To the top, we've had a cycle of 66 days high to high, and we're currently at about 41 days in on the current price movement here. So if this plays nice and we make a new high in about 22, 3, 4, 5 days or so, that would be in harmony with what's happened prior. And if we don't, it would break this cycle here, and that would put us to some new highs around May 5th. In fact, you could call it a Cinco de Mayo high-o. Horrible joke, but it couldn't resist that. These three price points here in white, these are new high targets that I've calculated and slightly rounded down. These are ratio projections, just like I've made on all the big picture work you've seen me do. But it's going to take price to get over the low 1800s to get there. We've got to get over about 18,250 to open up the door there to get to those levels. And we're currently on our way to doing that with this transition over 17.8s. So for the week ahead, we'll look to see if this propagates a sell-off. If we get a bounce here, if we get some negativity, do we start pressing deeper into this heavy balance beam zone? Even a break below 17.6s would be something to watch, and then essentially over 1800 opens up the door to these two new high targets here that are retesting where we've come from. So all of that is on the plate for this week. Use the link at the bottom of this video. You can hop in the live room Tuesday through Thursday, watch me do some day trading as well as some big picture analysis on futures and stocks. That will do it for now, gang. We'll see you back in the live room tomorrow.